Uday is from Telangana. Uday, what is the degree you studied?
Sir, I completed my graduation in mechanical engineering
In which year?
in 2016, sir.
Okay. After that, what you have been doing?
I prepared for the civil services examination, sir, by the UPSC.
Acha.
Later
And
on from 20.
from 2000 up to 2020.
Yes, sir.
Oh, did we talk over phone or for WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. We
Acha, acha, acha.
text.
We talked, texted or talked over phone?
No, sir. Texted, sir.
Texted. It's okay, fine. That's right. You are in which part of Telangana?
The south side, sir. Mahabonagar district.
Very good. Can you please tell us about your family?
Yes, sir. My father is a businessman. He's a small-time businessman. My mother is a homemaker.
Mm.
I have a younger brother who has just finished 12th class.
Mm. Now, what are your strengths?
Sir, my strengths are I'm adaptable. I'm a multitasker.
Mm.
As I'm working in a bank, I've developed attention to detail.
Mm.
I'm comfortable with my organization.
Mm.
I'm understanding. I possess integrity.
Mm.
I'm adaptable.
Mhm. Yeah, regarding your civil services, why were your efforts not succeeded? Did you go up to interview at any time?
No, sir, I went until the main stage.
Very sad. Now, you studied with institute guidance or you prepared by yourself?
The first year I took institute guidance, sir. Later on, it was self-study.
Which institute?
It is Sri Chaitanya IAS Academy, sir.
Acha, in Hyderabad itself, correct?
Hyderabad. Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. That's right. What was the optionals you took for that?
Sir, my optional was Telugu literature.
Telugu literature.
Yes, sir.
You studied mechanical engineering, and after that, why did you choose Telugu literature?
Sir, from my childhood, I was interested in Telugu. That was my favorite subject during my schooling also. And at the time of civil services preparation, I thought it was an opportunity to dwell more into the subject, the literature, how the
But
language developed.
but was it a good choice? I don't think so. I think you would have faced much difficult questions which you could not answer. Or was it easy for you?
Because the subject was interesting, which I chose, so I didn't face much difficulty, sir. And
Were you able to answer all the questions given in the main exam?
I could not score well in the optional subjects, sir.
I know that because invariably in this language oriented papers, those people who are correcting it are very conjuice. They will not give you marks. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And now the further question will be, after doing mechanical engineering, why did you choose this one? And the favorite answer for that is that, sir, there are no people to guide me for preparing in this. Actually, there is no need for guiding because you have already studied for 4 years. You have books, you can prepare it yourself also. But this one, if you take Telugu only, you need guidance. Were you having classes for that also?
Yes, sir. I was guided by a senior.
Very good. Excellent. And you could not score marks. So sometimes in this type of all India institutions, when they correlate with IAS, they do ask questions relating to optionals also. For example, be ready for questions like, say, why did you choose Telugu? Then famous writers in Telugu. What is the situation of Telugu literature now? How movies are helping literature? how literature is helping movies, and what is about Natu, whatever it is. So some such questions they can ask you.
Okay, sir.
So be ready for those questions and be
Yes,
ready to answer them. Good. Now coming to MSME, I want
sir.
you to talk for 5 minutes without stopping about MSME, Mudra, Sidbi,
Sir,
Sidbi type of loans. You can even take 10 minutes, no problem. Proceed.
can I start after 10 seconds, sir?
Nope.
I'll gather.
After you can take half a minute also, no problem. I have no objection.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. The,
Yes.
the, M- the
Yeah.
MSME sector
Mm,
contributes to almost one third of India's GDP.
mm,
It also provides employment to 11 crore Indians.
mm,
MSME sector contributes to 50% of the Indian exports also. That is
mm,
why the sector is being seen as a bright spot in the Indian economy,
mm,
which has a huge potential to grow.
mm,
And because most of the MSME enterprises are in the informal sector,
mm,
there needs to be hand-holding support from the government and all the stakeholders in the sector.
mm, mm,
Uh, in that direction, the government has been trying to address the challenges that are being faced by the MSME sector, like
mm,
finance,
mm,
information asymmetry, the technology, the
mm,
required skill
mm,
needed for the MSME growth.
mm,
In this direction, the Mudra scheme was launched in the 2015, sir. Mudra
mm,
stands for Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency, which
mm,
refinance the loans given by the financial institutions like banks
mm,
without taking any collateral up to 10 lakhs.
mhm,
The Mudra loans are divided into Shishu, Kishore, and Tarun
mm,
based on the loans being given.
mm,
Mudra is a subsidiary under Sidbi, the Small Industries Development Bank of India, which was set up by an act of parliament in 1990.
mm,
The primary role of Sidbi is it is a principal financial institution for financing, development, and promotion of the MSME sector.
mm,
Under financing, Sidbi is into direct financing through its loan products like the speed, which stands for Sidbi, purchase of equipment for enterprise development, the Stapan, the
mm,
scheme for thematic purchase of assets in new enterprises.
mm,
And even Sidbi was instrumental in implementing the emergency credit line guarantee scheme announced by the government during the COVID-19 pandemic through schemes like Arise, Arog. Sidbi was able to provide liquidity support so that MSMEs can restart their operations.
mm,
Apart from that, Sidbi is also into promotion and developmental aspects of the MSME sector. The
mm,
promotional and developmental roles are woven around the mission Swavalamban of the
mm,
Sidbi.
mm,
It has four pillars.
mm,
Sampark, which means connecting with the MSMEs.
mm,
Suraksha,
mm,
which is uh, protecting the MSME sector
mm,
through various tools like
mm,
project management units set up in the states.
mm,
The other pillar is Sampreshan.
mm.
And the last pillar, I'm unable to recollect right now, sir. I'm sorry.
Which one? Which one? Which pillar you said?
The three are Sampark, Suraksha,
Hmm.
Sampreshan,
Hmm.
and the other one I want to
The
recollect.
pillars of what?
Pillars of Mission Swavalamban.
Acha acha. Swavalamban.
Yes, sir.
Swavalamban.
Which is all about the promotional and developmental role of the Sidbi.
Swavalamban scheme.
Yes, sir.
Swavalamban scheme. Um,
The Mission Swavalamban aims to induce entrepreneurship culture in the country, and it visions it visions an entrepreneur in every household of the country.
mm.
Sidbi, sir,
Yeah. Tell me, tell me.
Sidbi also coordinates with various other stakeholders like the state governments, the financial institutions, the non-banking financial companies, the
Mm.
NGOs that are
No,
into.
no. You were telling about Swavalamban scheme. What is that scheme about? Important points. What is the government contribution?
Sir, the scheme has different, initiatives such as project management units.
Mm.
It also undertakes training and workshops for the MSMEs.
Mm. No, but I am getting a different answer here. First question they have asked is the Swavalamban scheme of Government of India is directed to provide social safety net to whom? The answer is unorganized workers. And the Swavalamban scheme of Government of India, I am showing you the link. Whether this is what you are telling, you please correct me.
I'm sorry,
Swavalam,
sir. I think there is a difference between Sidbi's Mission Swavalamban and the Swavalamban scheme of the government of India.
oh, acha. Sidbi Swavalamban, correct?
Yes, sir. Mission Swavalamban.
Mission Swavalamban, 1 minute. Sidbi, India,
Yes.
Mission Swavalamban, Sidbi.
Yes.
Oh, Sidbi's mission Swavalamban, promoting
Yes, sir.
mainstream. What is Mission Swavalamban? This is the flagship initiative of Sidbi of Small Industries Development Bank of India, joined hand with the Usha Silai School program in their journey in promoting entrepreneurship for rural women. Did you mention about rural women?
This is one of the component of Mission Swavalamban, sir. The
Acha.
Silai homepreneurs.
Acha, 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 acha. The objective of Swavalamban to shift the focus from job seekers to job creators. What is the theme of an error occurred? Sidbi launches Swavalamban Challenge Fund to promote entrepreneurship. Okay, so this what you say is correct because I was remembering Swavalamban in different context. So when you told this, I couldn't
Yes,
relate
sir.
it. So thank you so much. I suggest you again go through this so that you can know more about it. I think you have talked nicely for nearly more than 5 minutes. Good. I appreciate you. I appreciate you
Thank you,
because
sir.
normally when I give such an assignment to candidates, they cannot speak for this long because they are not fully prepared for it. Whereas you have done a good thing. Now,
Thank you, sir.
why should we select you?
Sir, my motto of joining Sidbi is there are two major reasons for it, sir. One of the major reason is my father used to run informal micro enterprises. Like he was into stationery material supplying, into wholesale coconut trades, into building material supplying. But even from my childhood, I used to see him face issues with working capital and lose many tenders, and I could not grow the business. Now, Sidbi offers me a role where I could change lives of many like my father, which has a multiplier effect on the society and the economy of the country. The second reason is career progression. I am currently working with Punjab National Bank in the clerical cadre
Hmm.
from 2020.
This you should have told me first itself.
Yes, sir.
Ah, then the
The,
questions will be different. Yeah,
the one
you are.
before me was also from PNB.
Yeah, yeah.
So
He is an officer.
yes, sir. Yes,
He is an officer, and I think he's from North India. But you are
yes, sir.
in which branch of Punjab National Bank?
I'm currently working with the Karapamla branch situated in Nagarkarnul district of Telangana state.
Oh, very good, very good. How big is your branch?
The business of our branch is 60 crores, sir. It is
Deposit,
a rural
deposit how much? Advances how much?
deposits of around 18 crores and advances of 42 crores.
अरे भाई 42 crores में maximum advances what jewel loan or gold loan?
Agriculture, crop loans, Kisan credit cards.
Oh, good, good, good. Kisan credit card. So what is
Yes.
the major responsibility for you nowadays? Receiving cash, making payment of cash. Apart from that,
No, sir. I work as a single window operator where I deal with customer inquiries,
mm,
guiding them through various processes
mm,
for availing loans or depositing, like the fixed deposits and all.
mm,
I am also into account maintenance of
mm,
loan accounts, saving accounts.
mm,
I open saving accounts and gold loan accounts also sometimes.
mm,
I work as a loan clerk for
mm,
crop loans or the SHG loans and
mm,
few of the MSME loans as well.
mhm. Can you
Although there are,
can you explain what is SHG?
sir, SHG stands for self-help group. It
Mm,
is it is mainly uh, of 10 to 20 women who are from
mm,
similar economic background and similar from a similar area who wants to pool in funds to take up
mm,
a meaningful economic activity
mm. So in your branch, what is the nature of assistance you are giving?
to the SHGs, sir.
Yeah.
We we provide them loans so that
Mm,
they can scale up their economic activities that they are currently undertaking
mm,
apart from their own saved funds.
mhm,
Also, we conduct financial literacy programs with the self-help groups
mm,
because if a woman is financially empowered, the family is financially empowered.
mm. Good. That's right. What you said is right only. Now, can you tell me something about other national institutions like LIC? What do you know about LIC?
LIC is Life Insurance Corporation of India, which is mainly into the insurance business.
Mm,
The LIC was it went recently for the initial public offer,
mm.
and
Okay.
the agents, yes, sir.
Now tell me the recent budget Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman presented on 1st of February.
Sir.
Um, two types of income tax has been introduced.
Yes, sir.
So under that, you will be preferring which regime? Old regime or new regime?
I think the old regime is what I would prefer because of the certain exemptions that I can avail, which are not present in the new regime. And I I think the income tax rates are almost similar.
No, but in your case, I think your total must be somewhere around 40,000 per month total.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Precisely. Yes, sir.
40,000. So maybe you are around 5 lakhs only. So for you,
I'm
both
not-
are same only, because up to 7 lakhs, there is no income tax under the new regime.
Yes, sir. Increase to 7 lakhs
Yeah.
from.
So there is no need for that. Whether you are going to save money or not, it is not considered important here. And whereas under the old regime, with savings being subtracted, say your standard deduction. How much is standard deduction for you?
Sorry, the NPS deduction is around
No,
3,500.
not that one. Standard deduction for income tax, 50,000.
Sorry, sir, I was not aware.
Yeah, 50,000 rupees per month, per year. In your
Okay,
from
sir.
your total income, you can reduce 50,000 straight away towards standard deduction. Once you subtract that, you will be coming below 5 lakhs also, or
Yeah.
you may be nearing that. So you can choose the new regime only, no problem.
Okay, sir.
In the new budget scheme,
Sir,
what are the improvements made for senior citizens deposit scheme?
sir, the limit was raised for the monthly. Uh, I'm not sure about this, sir, but if you allow me to guess, I would like to take a
Tell,
guess.
tell.
The saving
The maximum limit has been enhanced from 15 lakhs to 30
30.
lakhs.
Yes, sir.
And what is the interest rate on senior citizen deposit scheme nowadays?
It is raised to 8.1%.
8.2.
0.2. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the present repo rate?
It is 6.5%.
Present bank rate?
Bank rate is 6.75%.
What is the capital of Sidbi? Authorized
The
capital.
authorized capital is 1,000 crores, sir. The paid up capital is 594 crores.
What is the say what is that ratio called? I'm not getting that particular word. Say under the Basel Committee norms.
Sir, capital adequacy.
Correct. I'm not getting that word. Capital
Sir.
adequacy norms. What is the capital adequacy of our Sidbi? It's quite good.
Yes, sir. It is around 25%. Sir.
Yeah, very good. So Punjab National Bank capital adequacy, how much?
It is 14.67% as on December 2022.
What is the maximum interest rate you are giving on fixed deposits for normal citizens?
If the customer deposits up to 666 days, it is around 7.5%. It is 7.5%.
Achha, good. That means if you are a staff member, you will get 8.5.
Yes, sir.
If you are a retired staff member, for senior citizens, how much are you paying more?
0.5% more.
In the case of your Punjab National Bank retired staff, are they eligible for 1% plus and also senior citizen 0.5 or only 1%?
I'm sorry, sir. I
You
don't
don't
know.
know. In our bank, they give both 1% and 0.5% towards senior citizen.
I'll learn about it, sir.
Yeah, just like that. Very good. What is the norms for categorization of branches? Which branches are called small branch? Which branches are called medium branch? Any idea? I think you may not know. Huh?
The basic criteria is the advances of the branches.
No, not that way. Both deposit and advances. The figure
The
of,
difference.
yeah, but there will be some figures. Figures are getting changed. I have been asking one after the other. Nobody has been able to tell me the correct answer.
Yes,
Anyhow,
sir.
thank
Yes.
you so much. Any questions you have in your mind?
Uh, Nothing as of now, sir.
So
If
your number is 97015, na?
yes, sir.
97015.
2237.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Attend the interview very well and send me the list of questions they are asking you. Okay.
Definitely, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you. But in your introduction, you must tell that you are working in PNB. Of course, they will be knowing it because you would have mentioned it in the application. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So anyhow, the questions will be more on the nature of work you are doing and tell that positively with a happy note so that they will be giving you more marks.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. If I can ask, how would you rate my answering style, sir?
Today, other things remaining constant, I will give you 9 out of 10. I don't think there is any reason I should reduce your marks. 9 out of 10.
It will boost my confidence, sir. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Best wishes. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.